Hello, I'm Michael.
And I'm Kristen.
This is our son Samuel, and we'd like to talk to you today about Talos Fiber Arts.
I started on my fiber arts journey simply as a knitter, but as time went on, I was no longer satisfied with using someone else's yarn to make my creations. I wanted to spin my own. I started off using store-bought blends of fiber in my spinning, but again, as time went on, I decided I wanted even more control of my finished product, so I started to create my own blends. I was able to do this through the use of a tool called a blending board. My husband Michael created this prototype board by repurposing an old family cutting board. On my blending board, I can mix fibers of all different types and colors to create any combination I can imagine. While this board is pretty awesome, we have lots of ideas as to how we could make it even better. Once my fiber is off the board, I'm ready to take it to my wheel and start spinning.
Because I wanted to make rather than buy a board, I needed to do some research. I found it odd that these tools used to create such inspired works of art were so relatively plain. For my first design, I took a simple step: inlay the carding cloth so it rests flush with the blending board. To do this, I used a Bridgeport mill, giving me precision to have a seamless design. The problem is, it's over an hour away. Since I'd rather keep it local, I need to make some upgrades to the basement. I already have some tools. A 3D printer may come in handy for small parts. Hand drill, sander, saw, air compressor, a router, and even a miter saw. Dust collection will be in need, as I actually went out and purchased a new table saw. But the key is the X-Carve. Because why stop at just an inlay? Why not make the tools reflective of the artisans that use them? Blending boards, spinning wheels, and more with patterns and designs found in their own works of art, unique to the individual.
As new parents, we're often short on funds, but never on inspiration. We love being creative. We want to pursue our passions and inspire our son to find his own.